Something strange happens when people decide to drill straight into the planet. Curiosity turns into obsession, and obsession turns into, well, let's see what's hiding 12 kilometers below our feet. That's how the Kola Super Deep Borehole was born, the deepest hole humans have ever made. And no, it didn't unleash a monster, a gateway, or anything dramatic. But what scientists did find down there was weird enough to make them question everything they thought they knew about Earth. The first surprise showed up when the drill passed layers older than anything you've heard of. They hit rocks 2.7 billion years old, and trapped inside those ancient layers were fossilized microscopic plankton, sealed so tightly by pressure it's a miracle they weren't crushed into nothing. 2 billion years old, in solid rock. That alone was unsettling. Then the temperature started rising. By 12,262 meters the heat hit 180 degrees C, hot enough to turn equipment into scrap. The plan was to drill deeper, but even the toughest metal couldn't handle that level of punishment. Earth practically tapped them on the shoulder like, yeah, that's enough. And the deeper they went, the stranger the rocks behaved. They stopped acting solid, and started acting like heated plastic dough, not molten, just weirdly bendy thanks to the insane pressure. Try drilling into something that can't decide if it's a rock or a bad attitude. Then came the discovery that rewrote geology textbooks. They never found the basalt layer. Every model said granite should eventually give way to basalt. Instead, they got more granite, just a more crushed, altered version. That one finding forced scientists to rethink how Earth's crust is structured. And then the twist nobody expected. They found water. Not rainwater, not ocean water, but water squeezed out of minerals themselves, trapped deep inside rock that should be completely dry. The planet literally manufactures water under pressure. The project shut down in the early 90s, not because the mysteries were solved, but because the Soviet Union collapsed. Today, the site is abandoned, the metal cap welded shut, a dramatic little lid covering humanity's deepest poke into the planet. And the wild part? Even after drilling over 12 kilometers, they still didn't get close to the mantle. Earth is massive, stubborn, and endlessly strange, and we barely scratched the surface with a glorified metal straw. Anyway, if you enjoyed this little trip downward, go on and hit that subscribe button. It makes the algorithm treat the page a little nicer.